Like, I'm finna pick up my 3 homeboys. You feel me? I'm finna take them to the store real quick.
Is that him, Ken?
Yeah, what you ready? What's up?
What's up, bro?
What's
the move going on?
So I need boys to go to the store.
Man, spit.
Hey! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! What the fuck, man? Oh, what the fuck, man? Damn, bro.
Oh, is this nigga breathing, bro?
What the fuck, bro? This nigga just had a seizure, dude.
Fuck, dude. What the fuck?
Hey,
Bro, you good, bro?
I gotta get this nigga to the... Say he died! Man, that shit say he died! Hey, the forest said that nigga died, bro!
Bro,
What the fuck, bro? Man,
Bro, what the fuck?
there can't be no fucking Sprite you was drinking, bro.
What the fuck he be
He
eating?
dead! Man, we gotta get that. They gonna say we poisoned his ass, bro.
I ain't doing
What the
that.
fuck? Man, I'm about to run this. Man, fuck Kent.
Wait, what the fuck? He leave me here, man. What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck, bro? I was here to save you, bro. I called the police.
So you laughing?
No, I wasn't laughing, bro. No, I wasn't. He's
He's literally laughing right now.
Bro, no.
He can't take nothing serious.
I'm saying
he was in the car
He
though.
can't take nothing serious.